efficiency, natural vehicle interaction, and cutting-edge automatic intelligence. Get cozy and experience the new Intelligent Climate Control in your BMW with operating system 8. Depending on the climate conditions, sunlight, seat occupancy, and your desired temperature, the system provides the best and most efficient settings for heating and cooling. Simply set the desired temperature. The automatic climate control takes care of the rest. The bar next to the temperature display shows the progress of cooling down or heating up. You can also tell your BMW iX,
"Hey BMW, my feet are cold."
and it will adjust the temperature.
Okay, the footwell will be warmer shortly.
Active air conditioning functions such as seat heating or steering wheel heating are displayed as icons in the climate control bar. When the auto program is activated, the intensity of individual functions can be individually adjusted. For instance, open the climate menu if you want to set your seat heating. Select the desired settings, let's say very high. Warm and caring. Now your seat heating will be activated more often for a longer duration. In the climate menu, active functions like seat heating are also displayed. Choose Auto to activate a manual mode separately for the driver and passenger. Perfect! Now you can adjust the levels for all functions manually. Select all climate functions to turn the climate control system off. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.